Here we are with another microphone boom arm review. This time we have the Elgato Wave Mic Arm LP, the low profile, the new model for 2023. This new model have some nice improvements from 2021 model, and in this video I will show those features and why I think this product is a great investment to your setup. Hello, my name is Rodrigo and welcome to another video. I have been using this boom arm right here, the original Elgato Wave Arm LP that actually was released back in 2021, and it's really been an amazing addition to my small setup, which, by the way, if you like to check the full review of this boom arm, just click on the top of this video, or you can also click on the description below, which I'm gonna post the link as well. So since I like this product a lot, I decided to get another one in white color, but with some really great improvements from the original one that I would like to share in this video. So in the box we have a guide, the main Wave Arm LP, the clamp to attach to your desk, a small Allen wrench to adjust your Wave Arm LP, and a 1/4 to 3/8 and 1/4 to 5/8 adapters. To assemble the Wave Arm LP is very easy and the cable management is really great and well. The clamp have a great protection when clamping to your desk, which is a great thing because you can avoid all the scratches when you attach to it. And when attaching to the Wave Arm LP to it, you can also rotate 360 degrees for full flexibility to your desk. The Allen wrench that comes with allows you to tie up some parts, which is really nice. And for sure is a plus because it comes inside the box as well. The material used on the Wave Arm LP is all metal and very strong, which is a very nice thing because it is a product that's gonna last long time in your hands. The connector to attach a microphone is a ball head kind of design, which all Elgato mount products use as well, and you can easily tie it up and move it super nice and easy the way you like it. And talking about the mic attachment, you not only can attach a mic with different mounts, but also a camera thanks to the different types of adapters that come with. Now let's see the biggest features and difference from the original Wave Arm LP to the new model. So let's start with the magnetic metal that holds the cables in place. The old one does have the same feature, but the new model does offer way stronger magnetic that will hold your cables much better. So this was a great improvement since a lot of people out there did complain about the magnetic wasn't strong enough, but in my case it was fine because I was moving my microphone that much, but for a lot of people there was a big issue. Another great improvement was the extra hole by the microphone attachment. Now you don't have anymore to have your cable going all the way up and down to leaving your cables more exposed. Now you can route the cable from the bottom, which will give you more flexibility to the routing if you have a different microphones where to attach with the new model of Wave Arm LP. And the last feature is my favorite. The original model of the parts of the Wave Arm LP needs to adjust with the Allen wrench, which is fine, but this part right here, especially this right there, it's complicated because sometimes you want to lower or adjust depending if you're sitting down or standing up, if you have like a standing desk like I have. And the new model now they add the wing nut that doesn't need the Allen key wrench at all, which is amazing. Just be able to adjust on the fly is incredible helpful, and for me this was the biggest improvement. And here it is, the new Elgato Wave Arm LP that I highly recommend it if you're looking to upgrade or add to your setup. Based on my personal experience, for sure worth the price of $99. And I hope this video was super helpful. And again, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end, and I'll see you on the next video.